and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
This fall bar cart 2021 is hosted by Marilyn from Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle and Phyllis from JRC Restoration Decor and Design. So now, here is my presentation. Hi guys, so the drink that I will be bringing to you this year is something that I found new, and it is a pumpkin beer. As you know, I do not drink alcohol, but this is something that I was moving around and watching and found. So guys, this is how I am going to prepare the beer for you. So this is some pumpkin sugar And of course, you know, pumpkin season is orange. And I am going to use some simple syrup. And this is for it to adhere around the mouth of my beer glass. So here I am pouring on a little bit of the simple syrup. And this glass, guys, is a beer glass. So I'm going to roll the mouth of it all around to make sure I get simple syrup all over the whole entire glass. Now I am going to whirl this in to the orange sugar. So guys, that is how you add this onto the glass. So now here it is. Look how pretty that is. And look, all of that orange all together. So let's open up this beer, guys, and pour it out. You know I have to do something different in my videos every time, so here you go. So guys, to add a little something to it, this is a pumpkin beer. So what is a pumpkin beer in pumpkin fall season without pumpkin pie? So guys, bon appetit. Stay tuned because all photos are coming up next.
I'ma make you mine tonight. Pulling your hair, baby. I feel you breathing on me, on you. You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for it, for you. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah.